Cauliflower, comfort food superstar.
The perfect kind of cauliflower is a versatile, low-carb vegetable that can mimic some of your favorite comfort foods. Because of its neutral flavor and satisfying texture, you can turn it into dishes that taste indulgent but support your keto lifestyle. Let's explore 3 delicious ways to transform cauliflower into tasty, satisfying meals.
Recipe 1. Creamy cauliflower mac and cheese.
Swap out pasta for steamed cauliflower florets in this comfort classic. Coat the cauliflower with a rich cheese sauce made from cream, cheddar, and a pinch of mustard powder. Bake until bubbly and golden. This keto-friendly dish delivers cheesy, creamy goodness with far fewer carbs, perfect for cozy nights and guilt-free cravings.
Recipe 2. Cauliflower mashed potatoes.
Enjoy all the creamy, buttery flavor of mashed potatoes without the carbs. Steam or boil cauliflower until soft, then blend with butter, a splash of cream, salt, and pepper. For added depth, try a little roasted garlic or cream cheese. The result is velvety, rich, and satisfying, ideal as a side for any hearty meal.
Recipe 3. Cauliflower crust pizza.
Create a crispy, cheesy pizza crust by pulsing cauliflower in a food processor, then mixing it with eggs and Parmesan. Bake until firm, then top with sugar-free pizza sauce, mozzarella, and your favorite low-carb toppings. This recipe gives you a familiar pizza experience while keeping your meal keto-friendly.
Tips for making cauliflower delicious.
For the best taste and texture, squeeze out excess moisture from cooked cauliflower before using it in recipes. Season generously, and feel free to add herbs and spices for extra flavor. With creativity, cauliflower becomes a delicious, comforting base for many keto dishes you'll love.